And the way the cars are parked is further evidence. Can we turn left here at this intersection? If so, we will.
Our services include professional materials needed to showcase your invention and 3D animation and prototype modeling to help you demonstrate your idea.
And is it a one-way or a two-way?
I can't see the other cars, so I'm going to say one way.
Yeah. You also got the one-way arrow there, but I don't trust it.
Yeah, just looking for cars on the side.
Yeah. Incorrect choice of lane. And then, if we can, we'll turn left at this intersection. What do you think?
No, because the arrow's only pointing that way.
Okay, what else besides the arrow? What else do you see?
There's traffic.
The what?
There's traffic there.
Okay. How many stop signs do you see?
2.
2. Both backwards, right? So that's another clue. Got lots of clues, and yet I still see people go the wrong way. During the first 10 minutes of being downtown one time with a student, three were coming right at us.
3 of them?
3 of them going the wrong way, right at us. Yeah, different roads too. Every corner we turned, it was like somebody coming right at you.
Wow.
So which way are we going to turn here at this intersection? Can we turn right from this lane?
No, I guess.
No.
No?
No, because left lanes for left turns, right lanes for right turns only. Yep. And we're going to go straight ahead. Take, where's the line? Oh, there it is. Okay. We're going to turn left at the end of the blue building. The entry point is between the yellow lines there. There's an opening.
Oh, yeah.
And it's on this side of the concrete island. And that's there to keep the traffic separate because you're turning onto a one-way street. You don't want to collide with somebody getting into the right lane. So this is the correct choice of lane. Might feel weird driving on the left side of the road.